Good morning, students. This is Mr. Peter Titus from Salem classes. So, students, today our discussing chapter will be The Mystery of a Girl, 6.2, chapter number 6.2. So, in this lecture, I will give you only summary, and because already my previous video that was read and translation in Hindi and English video also is there. If you want to see, so you can see that. But this video lecture will be only in English. Okay, so if you are watching this video, so please subscribe it and go to my playlist. Then you can see there communicative English class 7th. There is a playlist. Open that and you can see all my previous video there. Okay, so then let's begin. So already I told you this is about chapter number 6.2, The Mystery of a Girl. Okay, and as per class 7th communicative English. What do you understand about a mystery? Mystery means something that we do not know about what happened really. Okay, that is something hidden inside. We do not know, and sometimes we are trying to reach the truthfulness. Okay, so this is a story of a girl. Okay, once upon a time, means earlier 300 years ago. Okay, she was robbed and she was left for death. And when the people are going through that way, they always see the dead body of the girl. There was a particular girl whose body fully bloody and her clothes were fully torn. Something they have seen there. Okay, let me read you and make you understand. Okay, so this story about 15th November 1950. Remember 15th November 1950. That was a fully night time and windy and dark. There was no moon. That was a moonless night. Such time, David Walter, one who was the agricultural engineer, so he was driving on a remote country. Remote country road means that is far from his home. That is far from his home, especially village road. Especially village road. So he stared through his windscreen at a scene brightly by the headlights of his car. Whatever he has seen, he couldn't believe that. So what happened there? So what he has seen there, a girl, one who was torn clothed and fully bleeding and lay face down by the grass wedge. That was the condition. Okay, that was the condition. While he was traveling on his way, so suddenly he saw a bleeding girl on the way. Okay, on the way. When he saw that, then what happened there? Just he stopped his car. Just he stopped his car and very strongly he brakes his car and he stopped, then opened his door and he went. That was almost before 7 o'clock, means that was almost evening time. Okay. That was really windy time, especially that month of November after 5:30, especially if it is Europe. So after 5 o'clock there is dark. That is beings just like a night. So in North India also, if we see that after 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, okay, or 5:30, there is getting dark. Okay, there is getting dark and that was fully dark night and there was no moon. There was no moonshine and especially month of November. Okay, After looking that, so he went there. Actually, he was returning from his work because he was an agricultural engineer. So somehow, when he has seen that, so he stopped his car, and what is really, he went there, and with a stumbling he went there, but when he reached there, he found nothing. Okay, that was very question, and he was amazed that just before he was looking a girl, one who was bleeding, and maybe he thought that brutally she was murdered, but when he reached there, nothing was there. So then after he returned to his car, returned to his car, and he illuminated his headlights to that particular spot, to find that either the girl is here and there, but he couldn't see anything else. Even there was no a single blood mark or drop of blood. There was nothing were there, and really that was something fearful for him. Really, that was something fearful for them. And just before he has seen, but when he reached to the near place, nothing was there. So then after he took out his torchlight, and he roamed his torch, and by that way he searched there, but he couldn't find, and afterward he started to go to his home. When he was going, just he was thinking either it is his imagination or it is true. Finally he concluded that it is not his imagination, but it is true, because he has seen that. But why these things happened? Why these things happened? So he wanted to know that, and what is the reality. So that is why he thought that there should be work a supernatural power, especially priests have supernatural power. So that he contacted to the priest, and he explained all the story. After explaining all the story, so the priest didn't astonish. So that was a very surprising thing for him. That was very surprising thing for David, that the priest didn't astonish. Okay, so anyway, why? Because the priest already 4 times heard about this report. Okay, he already heard about this such kind of story. Almost within 2 years, 4 times he hears, and that is why that was not something surprise for him. What the story he heard, 4 motorists had reported the same thing. Each had seen a half-naked girl laying by the roadside at exactly the same post. The same, story always he is hearing. That is why that was not something new for him. Okay. So before David, somebody has seen, whose name is Ivan Smith. Okay. He is also a hotelier. So one day, that was 1949. One day he was also going through that way, and he has also seen the same thing. The girl's clothes were torn, and she was laying the grass by the road, and there was blood on her back and her arms. Okay, then he thought that she had been murdered. He stopped his car, okay, and jumped out. And when he approached to that very place, or to that particular place, nothing was there. Nothing was there. So that is why what happened there. So he wondered if he wanted to report the police, but what will happen if he will report to the police, because he couldn't see anything else. He couldn't see anything else. Already that seemed to fade away. The girl seemed to fade away. That is why he thought that and he informed to the priest. Then after, another person is there, one who is the salesman. Okay, he was also going through that way. When he has seen the torn girl and the bleeding girl, so he couldn't stop his car. So he went ahead to another home, and from there he found, make a call to the police station. When the police came, they found nothing. They found nothing. So all the story David heard. Okay, all the story David heard. After hearing the story, now what happened there? David went. But the priest began to think, and what will be the solution? Because the poor person, they have said what they have seen, all are true. David is saying that, and Ivan also said, and the salesman also said, previous somebody also said, but all they have, they are saying that is true, but the girl was not there. So why these things is happening? Almost for 2 years he have been hearing such kind of incident. So that is why he started to confirm that he wanted to make a conclusion what is there, what is the reality. So that he consulted a local historian, Dr. Arthur, and he told about all these things. Means the priest told about all these things, what happened there. Now Dr. Arthur started to search historical evidence and historical background. So finally he gave something that 300 years earlier, 300 years earlier, so two men or some men, they robbed the girl and left her for dying. And after that, she died. And the two fellow they hanged. But such a mysterious happening is always taking place. There was no any solution. So that is why the bleeding girl always looks, seems, and fades away from there. So that is why the local priest in 1951, the priest arranged a prayer. He arranged a prayer and he took to his company to the very place, and he started praying there. He offered a prayer there, and after that, that was the main intention, to make a peace to the spirit of the girl, the soul of the girl. So after having the prayer, the girl vanished there, and there hadn't happened anything else after the prayer. That means here we can see that prayer has a power. Prayer has a power to solve any kind of problem. So if you need any help, so you can ask me, or you can comment, and according to your comment, so definitely I will help you. Thank you. May God bless you.